Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you are going to know about syllabus of first year GNM Nursing, particularly in the subject of bioscience. Bioscience, it contains anatomy and physiology and microbiology. I hope you already know about what all the subjects are there in first year GNM Nursing. Still now, if you don't know, just click the I button. It will take you into the video of introduction for GNM Nursing, first year GNM Nursing subjects. Without wasting a time, let's get started. So first we will start with anatomy and physiology. In anatomy and physiology, the first unit, introduction to anatomical terms, organization of the human body. So this is about the introduction for the human body. In this unit, you are going to learn about anatomical terms, systems and cavities of the human body. Next, the second unit is introduction to the detailed structure of the body. So in this, you are going to learn about the cell. So in the cell, structure, reproduction and the function. Structure of cell, reproduction of cell and the functions of cell. Then second, tissues including membranes and glands. So in this chapter, types of tissue, structure of tissues and the functions of the tissues. Next, body cavities and their contents. So in human body, what are the cavities are there and what are the contents are present in the cavities. So this is about the second unit. Then third unit, blood. In the blood unit, you are going to learn about composition and formation of blood, functions of blood, blood clotting, blood grouping and cross matching, and blood products and their use. So this is about third unit. Next, fourth unit, the circulatory system. In the circulatory system, you are going to learn about heart. In heart, the structure of the heart and the functions of the heart. It includes conduction system and cardiac cycle. So with the structure and functions, you are going to learn about the conduction system and the cardiac cycle. Then blood vessels. In the blood vessels, types of blood vessels, structure of blood vessels and the position of the blood vessels. Next, circulation of blood. Next, blood pressure and pulse. So this is about fourth unit. Then fifth unit, the lymphatic system, structure and functions of the lymph vessels, lymph nodes and lymph circulation and lymphatic tissues. So mainly there are two lymphatic tissues are present, spleen and thymus. So this is about fifth unit. Then sixth unit, the respiratory system. In the respiratory system, you are going to learn about the structure and functions of the respiratory organs. In the respiratory system, what all the organs are present? So those structure and functions. Then physiology of respiration. How respiration is going on. So about the physiology of respiration. Then characteristics of normal respiration and deviation. So this is about the sixth unit, the respiratory system. Next, seventh unit, the digestive system. So here also you are going to learn about what all the organs are present in the digestive system. So those organs, structure, functions. Alimentary tract is nothing but digestive tract. Then the process of digestion, absorption and metabolism of food and food constituents. So how digestion will going on and absorption, metabolism of food. So about this you are going to learn in the digestive system unit. So this is about 7th unit. Then 8th unit, the excretory system. In the excretory system, you are going to learn about structure and functions of the kidney, structure and functions of the ureters, structure and functions of the urinary bladder and the urethra. So these are all the organs present in the excretory system: kidney, ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. So these structure and functions of all of these. Then formation and composition of urine, fluid and electrolyte balance, structure and functions of the skin, regulation of the body temperature. So this is about the 8th unit, the excretory system. Then 9th unit, the endocrine system. So in this unit, the structure and functions of the pituitary, thyroid, parathyroid and adrenal glands. So these are all the glands of the endocrine system. So pituitary gland structure, functions, thyroid gland structure and function, parathyroid gland structure and functions, adrenal gland structure and function, and pancreas and ovaries and testes. So these are also glands: pancreas structure and functions, ovaries and testes structure and function. So this is about the 9th unit. Then 10th unit, the reproductive system. In the reproductive system, you are going to learn about structure and functions of the female reproductive system, then process of menstrual cycle, reproduction and menopause, structure and functions of breast, structure and functions of the male reproductive system, then reproductive health. So this is about the 10th unit, the reproductive system. Next, the 11th unit, the nervous system. In the nervous system, you are going to learn about types of nerves, structure and functions. So how many types are present in the nerves and what are the structure of the nerves and functions of the nerves. Then brain and cranial nerves. Then spinal cord and motor and sensory pathways of the spinal cord, autonomic nervous system. So this is about the 11th unit, the nervous system. Then in the 12th unit, the sense organs. So this is about the sensory organs. So there are mainly 5 sensory organs present in the human body: skin, eye, ear, nose and tongue. So about these structure, functions, everything you are going to learn in the sensory organ unit. And next, physiology of vision, hearing, smell, touch, taste and equilibrium. So this is about the 12th unit. Then in the next 13th unit, the skeleton. The skeleton systems contains bones and joints. So in this unit you are going to learn about formation and growth of bones, then tendons, ligaments and cartilages, classification of bones, joints, then joint movement, then axial and appendicular skeleton. So this is totally about bones and joints. So that is 13th unit, skeleton or skeletal system. Then the 14th unit is the muscular system, type, structure and functions of the muscle, origin, insertion and action of the muscle. So this is about the muscular system, that is 15th unit. So this is about the syllabus of anatomy and physiology. Next we move on to the microbiology syllabus. So in microbiology, the first unit is introduction unit. In this you are going to learn about history of bacteriology and microbiology. So what is the history of bacteriology and microbiology? So about this you are going to learn in this unit. Then scope of microbiology in nursing. So what is the importance or scope of the microbiology, particularly in the nursing? So this is about the first unit, introduction unit. Then the second one, microorganisms. So about microorganisms you are going to learn in that classification, characteristics. So microorganism classification and characteristics. So its structure, size, method and rate of reproduction. Then normal flora of the body, pathogenesis and common diseases, methods for study of microbes, culture and isolation of microbes. So how to study the microbes, what are the methods are there, and which culture we can use, and isolation of the microbes. So this is about second unit, microorganisms. Then the third unit, infection and its transmission. So in this unit you are going to learn about the sources and types of infection. So what are the sources of infection and what are the types of infection, and nosocomial infection. Then factors affecting growth of microbes. Then cycle of transmission of infection, portals of entry, portals of exit, mode of transfer. Then reaction of body to infection, mechanism of resistance, collection of specimens. So this is about the third unit. Then the fourth unit is immunity. In immunity unit you are going to learn about all of these types of immunity. So in that there are mainly two types, innate and acquired immunity. Then immunization schedule. So next immunoprophylaxis, which contain vaccines and sera, etc. Then hypersensitivity and autoimmunity, and principles and uses of serological tests. So this is about fourth unit. Then fifth unit, control and destruction of microbes. So in that, principles and methods of microbial control, sterilization, disinfection, chemotherapy and antibiotics, pasteurization. So these are all the methods of control the microbes, or to kill or reduce the microbes. These are all the methods: sterilization, disinfection, chemotherapy and antibiotics, pasteurization. Next, medical and surgical asepsis, then biosafety and waste management. So this is about the fifth unit, control and destruction of microbes. Then sixth unit, practical microbiology. So in this you are going to learn about microscope parts, uses of microscope, and how to handle the microscope, and care of microscope, how to care. Then observation of staining procedure, preparation and examination of slides and smear. Then identification of common microbes under the microscope for morphology and different microbes. So for the identification purpose you are going to learn about the microbes, identification of common microbes under the microscope for the morphology of different microbes. So this is about microbiology syllabus. So this is about today's video, syllabus of bioscience. If you like the video, do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.